Mm, uh. Hmm. Oh. Oh. Hmm. Hi, brain. Can you help me with triangles?
Yeah, I have a good tip. Just remember Soka
Okay. Let me try saying it myself. So, ka, toa. Soka That's it? Well,
Ah.
that was easy. I'll be on my way.
Wait.
Oh.
You still have more to do. Couple more examples.
Oh. I thought that was it.
Hello, class. Welcome.
Hi.
All right, let's begin. What are we covering, class?
Oh, we're covering triangles.
Triangles. Perfect. Let's begin with the basics.
Can he hear me?
Okay, so first we need to cover SOHCAHTOA. Now, you might know what the words are, but what do they mean?
Don't they mean...
Okay, so means sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. Next is ka. What does ka mean? Well, it means cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. And finally, toa. Well, what does that mean? Tangent equals opposite over adjacent.
Okay, easy enough. So what does it mean?
You might be wondering what these terms mean. Well, let's look at this triangle right here. Notice anything?
Is that a rhetorical question, sir?
Well, it's a right triangle, and each side of this triangle means something. Here, let me label it for you quickly. So, how do you remember which corresponds to which? Well, simply put, hypotenuse will always be your longest side in your triangle. So, let's label it right here. Your adjacent will be, as the word says, adjacent to the hypotenuse. So it will be right here. And opposite will be, well, you guessed it, opposite to the hypotenuse and the 90-degree angle.
Oh, that's pretty easy. So what next?
Hey you, can you shut up?
Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay.
Okay, let's put this into practice with some questions. I'll do the first one, and you do the next one. How's that sound?
Sounds good, I guess.
Alright, let's begin. For this first example, we're going to have to find the three trig functions.
Hello?
So we have this triangle. We only have two sides, the opposite and the adjacent, 9 and 12. We're missing the hypotenuse. How do we get the hypotenuse? Well, first we need to use Pythagorean theorem to find the side. If you don't know what that is, let me remind you. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay? Plug in your numbers. And now we're going to solve. When we have our big numbers, we square it, and then we get 15, which is our hypotenuse. So now is the easy part. We just use our SOHCAHTOA to plug in the numbers in place of the actual terms, and we get this. Very simple, right? You try it.
Alright then, so here's my triangle. 8 squared plus 12 squared equals c squared. Okay, do the math. Alright then, we're done with that. Okay. I think I'm gonna move on to actually putting the terms into it. Or like the sine and cosine and tangent, you know what I mean. Okay, now we can't just leave it with a radical, well, not a radical, but a square root at the bottom. You gotta move it to the top, I think. So, there we go, and should be good.